Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad you're here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you could never miss out on the future content. This video is especially for someone who has just completed your 12th and you're wondering what engineering is all about, like what actually happens in engineering course and what you're going to study, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm diving deep into the course structure of engineering in general, and this structure generally applies to all the branches, whether it's electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, artificial intelligence, data analysis, or anything else. But today, I'll be focusing specially on computer science and engineering. I'll walk you through the semester overview, subjects, credits, projects, and internships. So, let's start speaking about the semester overview of engineering. Engineering is basically a 4 year program divided into 8 semesters. In the first year, most of the subjects are common across all the engineering branches and are foundational, like physics, chemistry, engineering, mathematics, and basics of programming. So, throughout the 4 years of your engineering program, you're going to have three most important semesters. That is a semester for internship, another one for your mini project, and the last semester for your main project. Now, let's speak about the most important part of your bachelor's course, that is your subjects. Your subjects are basically classified into different categories. Now, these categories are generally called as electives, and every elective has a specific number of credits to be completed. Let's speak more about these credits. I'm going to be explaining you the number of credits you're supposed to complete in each elective, and this is according to my university curriculum. Most of the colleges follow the same curriculum, but it might differ according to your university and course. The maximum weightage is carried by your professional core subjects. Since I'm speaking about computer science course, I'm going to be sharing few of computer science professional core subjects like Python, C programming, Java, SQL, JavaScript, and other programming languages which are basically important for your programming career. Following that, you have to complete 25 credits in basic sciences and engineering sciences. Basic sciences and engineering sciences involve subjects like physics, chemistry, English, public speaking, mathematics, and computer architecture. And then you have electives like humanities and sciences. In humanities and sciences, you're supposed to complete 13 credits. You're going to have subjects like biology, environmental sciences. Following that, you have to complete 12 credits in open electives. Now you can take more credits than 12 in your open electives. And then you're also going to have mandatory courses, which are mandatory and they do not carry the weightage, but they are mandatory. So these are the electives that you're supposed to complete. Overall, you have to complete 168 to 170 credits to graduate. Please remember one thing, that this course overview can change according to your university and the course, but this is generally what is followed in all the curriculums. Now, the number of credits that is allotted to your subject may vary according to your college. Coming to the projects, you're supposed to complete two projects, that is a mini project and a main project. In my university, mini project had 2 credits and main project had 8 credits. Now, I'd suggest you to start making small websites and interfaces after your first semester. So, once you get an idea about what programming is, I suggest you to start taking up projects from GitHub or YouTube and just start practicing them. Like, you don't need to be advanced in that, but still, if you start doing mini projects or small projects, you are going to get more knowledge about the projects, and your main project and mini project is going to be easier for you. Also, I'd like to say one thing, that please remember that your projects are the most important part of your bachelor's, because you have to know everything that you're using in your project, like every technology that you're using in your project, because your projects are important for your bachelor's degree, for your placements, also for higher studies. Now, your main project should be good enough so that it can be published in IEEE or reputed academic platform. Coming to internships, I'd suggest you to start doing your internship after your fourth semester, because your internship is going to affect your placements. You can do internships from online websites, or you can also do offline websites. It depends on your college. If your college is willing for offline websites, you're supposed to do them offline. And most of the colleges leave it on to you. You can do either online internships or offline internships. You can do online internships from various websites, but in my opinion, I feel like offline internships are far better than online internship, because you get more work exposure over there, and it is easier for you to adopt the working culture. So that is a complete breakdown of your computer science and engineering course structure. I hope this video gives you a clarity and confidence about what you're going to do in your engineering. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video and more useful content. Until then, take care.